Okay. Usually I have my nail bag on too, and right now I don't, but that's okay. Okay, I'm still gonna be mindful and try not to be too rambunctious up here. I have a 99.999% of knowing that the power is off. And you see, I'm seeing some different things here. I've got two sets of wires in. Oh no! Oh man! Try not to get in your way, but they've got three wires up there. Three wires meaning, let's see. I think I can still get one more set of wires up in there. I'm pretty sure I can. Okay. And so I see I've got three white wires and three black wires, and I only have one red wire. That's because one of these cables up here is a 14-3 with ground. 14-3 means it has three wires in it, red, white, and black, and it also has a ground wire. 14-2 means two 14 gauge wires, a white and black one, and a ground wire. Let's see, I got three ground wires up here, and you probably can't see that from there. That's why I'm explaining it to you. I don't want to zoom it in because the light isn't very good in here. Okay, but it's only got one. It's only got one red wire here, and that's okay. This is at the end of a line, particularly for the smoke alarms. But then they also took another set of wires here, and then they probably went down, because this was the guest room. They probably went down to the lights or the electrical outlets, and then daisy chained those, and that's what the third set of wires is probably for. Okay, and like I said, normally they don't have a circuit, a breaker that is for lights and electrical outlets together. Usually they have all your lights on different circuits, and then they have all your electrical outlets on different circuit breakers. Not generally one breaker for a portion of lights and a portion of electrical outlets on a circuit breaker. I don't know why they did that. Is it against code? I guess not. It's just something that most electricians normally do. Okay, and funny thing is, when you're building a house, on the plans, it doesn't tell you any of that. Doesn't tell you anything like a commercial set of plans. You have to show exactly where each circuit goes. You have to show how the load is going to react to your sub panel, and justify how many breakers as opposed to how many circuits, as opposed to how many things in each circuit, as opposed to where's the home runs and where does this wire go from here to here to here to here. On electrical set of plans for residential, they don't have that. They only have, on the electrical drawing, they have locations that show where the light switches go, where your electrical outlets are going to go, where your smoke alarms are going to go, and then they have a little detail sheet that shows icons. If your switch is a single pole, or is it a three-way or four-way, or ceiling fan, or what type of light fixture, fluorescent light fixture, or what kind of outlet, is it a dedicated outlet, or what have you. Other than that, it's up to the electrician to figure all that stuff out. Isn't that funny? I think it is. All right, I'm gonna undo those wires now, and take that little adapter out of there. Can you believe that? I got 1 minute left on my SIM card of this whole thing. I thought I'd had plenty of time, but hey, if I can do it, you can do it. Remember that.